Raksha Bandhan, a celebration of love and protection. Raksha Bandhan is a traditional Hindu festival celebrated across India and among Indian communities around the world. It symbolizes the sacred bond between brothers and sisters. The name Raksha Bandhan means the bond of protection. On this day, sisters tie a sacred thread called a Rakhi around their brothers' wrists, praying for their happiness and well-being, while brothers promise to protect their sisters throughout their lives. Raksha Bandhan has its roots in ancient Indian history and mythology. One popular story involves Lord Krishna and Draupadi. When Krishna injured his finger, Draupadi tore a piece of her sari and tied it around his wound. Touched by her gesture, Krishna promised to protect her forever. This story is often cited as the origin of the Raksha Bandhan tradition. The festival holds great cultural significance in Indian society. It strengthens the bond of affection and duty between siblings. It also reminds families of their responsibilities toward one another. Although traditionally celebrated between biological siblings, Raksha Bandhan has evolved over time, and many people tie Rakhis to friends, cousins, and even soldiers as a gesture of respect and care. On Raksha Bandhan, families gather to celebrate. Sisters perform a small prayer, apply a tilak on their brothers' foreheads, tie the Rakhi, and offer sweets. In return, brothers give gifts and vow to protect their sisters. The atmosphere is filled with joy, laughter, and a sense of togetherness. Some families also prepare special meals and sweets for the occasion. In today's fast-paced world, the way Raksha Bandhan is celebrated has changed a bit. Even if siblings live far apart, they connect virtually or send Rakhis and gifts by post or online. The emotion remains the same, even if the method of celebration is modern. Many schools and organizations also host Rakhi making competitions and events to spread the message of unity and love. Beyond the rituals, Raksha Bandhan carries a broader message of harmony, love, and protection. It is a reminder that we must stand by and support each other, not just in families but also as a society. It teaches the values of caring, loyalty, and mutual respect, values that are important in all relationships. In conclusion, Raksha Bandhan is more than just a festival, it is a celebration of relationships, tradition, and emotional bonds. It brings people closer and strengthens the ties that hold families together. As we celebrate this beautiful occasion, we are reminded of the importance of love, trust, and protection in our lives.